How to export customer transactions report in QuickBooks. At times, we need to see the history of all our transactions with a particular customer and export those details to a report. This can be done on QuickBooks by following a few simple steps. In this video, you will learn how to export customer transaction reports. Log in to your QuickBooks account. From the menu on the left, select Reports. Under Standard Reports, go to the Sales and Customers section. Select Transaction List by Customer. You will now see a transaction list by customer for all the customers of your company. Click on Customize to customize the report. Under the General section, select the period for which you need the report to be generated. Under the Filter section, specify the customer whose transactions you wish to view. Click Run Report. You will now see the list of all the transactions with that particular customer for the specified period. If you wish to export this list, click on the drop-down tab seen just above the list of transactions and choose the Export to Excel or Export to PDF option. The transaction list by customer is exported according to the option that you have selected. Now it's your turn. Log in and see how easy it is to do business with QuickBooks.